truck all night. Finally, my batteries are about back to normal. At least we didn't run out of battery. Everything started. So anyway, we're gonna run up and get them coils and hopefully have no more problems. Okay, we're here at New Quarter in Kingman, and we're going to pick up some coils. They end up having quite a few. They got them stockpiled everywhere. But they're just those coils of rebar. So we'll wait in a few minutes, and the guy on the forklift will come over and direct me over there, and they'll throw them on. Caught up to me now, and he's following me. Just climbed up out of Moapa Valley, and he says it's still smoking pretty good. So we're going to pull over here at the truck parking. under heavy pressure or when I'm pulling really hard, it's spraying more fuel. And it's getting down on the exhaust, and that's the smoke I'm seeing. But it's only when I'm doing a really hard pull and I'm loaded. So we've come up with a plan so that we don't have to tow it or we don't have to deal with mechanics out on the road. We're going to drop the trailer in Mesquite. Jared has a friend down here that has a spot we can drop it in. So we're going to leave it there, and they'll send another truck down to get it, and I'll bobtail home. Without any weight, it doesn't leak the fuel. So we'll get it back up there so that we can at least get it home without towing it.
Right, and then just pull off into the dirt and leave the trailer pointed east.
Do you want me by the fence way in there, or just right here?
No, just right there, so you're off the road enough.
Around this sign that says no parking?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it says anything, but I bet if it was, it would say that.
One time it did say no parking.
So like right here?
That'll work right there.
The what?
Yeah, that'll work right there.
Right here is good. I guess that's
My microphone not good.
yeah, you're breaking up. So here is okay.
Yeah, right there.
All right, continue. We're just bobtailing along now. I dropped my trailer there at Mesquite, and now I can climb up the hills and it won't burst into flames. We'll get it home and we'll take it in tomorrow and then let him see what he can do with it. Hopefully he can get parts quicker than the place down there, but we might be waiting a few days for the truck to come back. But till then, I guess I will be just running local with the old 76. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Okay, it's Thursday morning and we took the truck over to the mechanic. I'm going to drop it off here, let him have at it. Apparently, there's been a problem with this engine's fuel pump. It's basically made up of two valves inside, one valve for each of those lines that come out of the top. We replaced the front one, which is the primary valve, and it ran again, but the problem I had was under load. When it's working really hard, it builds up so much pressure that it would leak out the secondary valve. When it's just the tractor or no load or whatever, it builds up around 2,000 psi, something like that. But when you're under a load, it'll build up, he said something like 25,000 psi. It's ridiculous, the difference. So if there's any chance of leaking, it's going to leak when it's really working hard. But our guy up here, he knows these things really well, and so he's going to test it. But he says it sounds to him like, he says it sounds like that second valve is what's leaking under pressure. So he's going to replace that. So we'll let him have at it here, and hopefully he'll be able to get the parts that we need fairly quickly so that I'll have it next week. That would be really nice. So we're going to go over and do some local work. We're in a loud truck now. We're in the 76. My truck's at the shop now. They're going to work on that fuel leak problem that just keeps coming back. And I'm going to go run and load some trailers. Okay, we're out here in the shed again today. We're doing a little more work. Yesterday I got, don't know how well you can see it, but I got one window framed in and mounted. We're working on this side now. These windows I got online. I don't even know the place, but I got the pair for $104. They're 18 inches wide and 27 inches tall. And I've got that one all framed in. I just picked the height because I'm going to have a workbench along this corner for her to do stuff with. And I just thought that was a good looking height. I don't know. I might have screwed up, but that's the way it's going to be. So we'll match this one up. So I've got the 2x4s in, and I'll measure out the same height as that and get the boxed in, and then put the small stud to be on the bottom and on top. Okay, well, we got that one in. I still got to put the jack shafts or whatever they call those things, the little studs in between. I really probably don't need to because it's 18 inches in between there, but I've got enough scrap wood I can do that with. So there's the windows, and there's what they look like on the outside. I've still got to get the porch roof built. I've got the tar paper on it. The wind started to catch it, so we really got to get going on it. I've got my neighbor was kind enough to give me some extra shingles that he had from some previous projects, so I think I've got enough shingles to do it. So we're going to get started on the roofing, but I kind of wanted to get the porch done first. But anyway, so we're coming along pretty good on this. I got the porch roof on, and it's all sheeted and ready for shingles. And I got the tar paper on and the edging on a couple weeks ago, so we got the windows in. For the record, these windows, I got them off of Amazon. They were $104 for the pair, and they're really not bad windows. This one has a screen in it. Somewhere along the line I lost the screen to this one, but for what we got, it's not gonna matter. I mean, it's a shed. I don't care if bugs get in there or not. They're gonna get in other ways. But windows are pretty good. We got it pretty well all framed now, and I got the shingles from a friend, so we got them that we'll put on here next, probably Saturday. So, and then I got to build the door for the lawnmower to go in and out, and then we'll work on the siding. Finally got all done with the fuel pump issue that I had, and boy, that was a doozy. Apparently they have remedied that problem. We thought this one was new enough that they had already done the upgrade, but now it's been upgraded, so I shouldn't have any more fuel pump problems like that. We did get some time at home, so we got all the stuff done on the shed, and that's coming along. So hey, that'll wrap up this one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.